Appendix 2. The Heresy of the Faithful. Many people excuse the extensive apostasy in the Church by pointing to original sin. Man is so great a sinner, we are told, that we should not be surprised at the extensive sway of unbelief in the very hearts of the faithful, let alone the world. We are reminded that the heart of man, quote, is deceitful above all things and desperately wicked. Who can know it? End quote. Jeremiah 17:9. This is true, but the Scripture is not a Manichaean document. It does not assert that Satan and sin have a power equal to or greater than God and His grace. On the contrary, quote, God is greater than our hearts, end quote, 1 John 3:20. And, quote, greater is He that is in you than he that is in the world, end quote, 1 John 4:4. Great and almighty is our sovereign and triune God, and we cannot limit His power without sinning, nor can we ascribe the helplessness of the Church to the greater power of sin and Satan. Rather, we must ascribe it to the heresy and laziness of believers who limit God in their unbelief. Related to this acceptance of apostasy, which is an implicit acceptance of the superiority of Satan, is the surrender of this world to Satan and to unbelievers. The whole of the Old Testament speaks of God's judgment against all ungodly nations, and St. Paul speaks in Hebrews 12:18-29 of the second shaking, the judgment of men and nations in the gospel age, so that the things which cannot be shaken may alone remain. Christ, who arose from the dead in the same body in which He was crucified, set forth by His resurrection His victory over history, as well as in eternity over matter as well as in spirit. The work of God's judgments in history is to clear the way for Christ's kingdom to prevail, heralded in Revelation 11:15, with the glorious proclamation, quote, the kingdoms of this world are become the kingdoms of our Lord and of His Christ, and He shall reign for ever and ever, end quote. Can we surrender the world to Satan and be true to Scripture? One fine pastor has said that all, quote, matters of political, economic and social concern, end quote, should be bypassed by the clergy. Quote, when you remember what Jesus said about the superiority of the wisdom of, quote, the children of this generation to that of the, quote, children of light in such matters, Luke 16:8, you know that society can manage its affairs quite well without the benefit of the clergy, end quote. Let us call this interpretation what it is: blasphemy. Is the world better off if the clergy failed to proclaim and apply the Word of God to all things? And what did our Lord teach in Luke 16:8? Did He ask us to yield the world to the, quote, children of this generation, end quote, or did He urge us to apply our wisdom even more earnestly? R.C.H. Lenski, in The Interpretation of St. Luke's Gospel, page 830, summarizes the meaning. Quote, thus, the fully developed unrighteousness we see in this man as regards the unrighteous mammon is to help us to see and to inspire us to attain the complete contrary, the fully developed righteousness with which we are to handle this unrighteous mammon. First, in the use to which we put it, verse 9. Second, in the estimate we put on it, which underlies any use we can make of it, verses 10-12. Third, in the resistance which we offer it, this underlying both the use and the estimate, verse 13, end quote. Unbelief does not give superior wisdom, nor does regeneration make men idiots in the affairs of the world, that we should turn the management of society over to unbelievers. Rather, no man is better able to manage himself and the affairs of the world than the instructed Christian, and it is the duty of the clergy to instruct the believers in all things according to the infallible Word of God. Some men claim the authority of Luther for this retreat from the world, this Protestant version of monastic withdrawal. Instead, its origin is in Pietism, which revived the medieval spirit in the Church and withdrew it from the world. Instead of a Reformation concern with the whole counsel of God, Pietism concerned itself only with the soul and surrendered the world to the devil. With Pietism, Protestantism ceased to be the army of God, going forth to conquer in Christ's name, and the church became instead a kind of new monastery where men could retreat from the world and its problems and contemplate heaven. This writer received a letter from a fine and faithful pastor criticizing him for speaking on economics in a church building in the parish hall. Preaching on the gospel, the doctrine of justification, he defined as preaching on, quote, absolutes, end quote, and all other teaching dealt only with things relative. But the whole word of God is true, and the scriptures speak to the whole of man's life. The following is my answer to the letter, reprinted on request because so many Christians are disturbed by the limitation in their clergy's preaching due to pietism. Quote, Dear Pastor, your gracious letter arrived today, and I hasten to answer it before it gets lost in 100 or more letters which have accumulated during my travels. We are agreed, I am sure from your letter, in affirming the infallibility of Scripture, justification by faith in the sovereignty of the triune God. We alike hold to the doctrine of creation and the fall, and the depravity of man. The difference is, I think, practically summed up in your suggestion, quote, According to our understanding, a common one, I believe, a public minister of the gospel is representative of Christ and therefore under a restriction to declare the whole counsel of God. Quote, For that reason, I think that you would be in a more effective position if you were to lecture on such a subject as economics as a lay specialist rather than an ordained minister of the Orthodox Presbyterian Church. Perhaps it would even be helpful to use a public auditorium rather than a church building, simply because of identification, end quote. At this point, I would disagree, and I believe from my reading that I would have Luther on my side. There are two approaches to subjects, a humanistic one, of which there are many variations, and a theocentric and biblical one. My recent lecture in Sunnyvale on economics, the third of a series on money, of which the first dealt with the exegetical foundations, has a theocentric and biblical basis, and my assertion was that the world in economics is under God's law, not under man-made law. For me to declare the whole counsel of God means exactly that. The law of God deals extensively with economics, that is, with money, lending, usury, agriculture, business, etc. I am enclosing some copies of my recent newsletters, of which number 8 deals with certain aspects of economics relating to debt. These I dealt with in an earlier talk at Sunnyvale. One brilliant economist who has studied the Old Testament and New Testament laws and references to money has pointed out that fractional reserve banking is clearly prohibited by biblical law, although, of course, modern banking terminology is not used. I take the law of God very seriously. I believe that man is saved from the law as a handwriting of ordinances against him, so that man is no longer, as a Christian, under the law as an indictment, but he is under the law as a way of life. The law is now written on the tables of his heart, the sign of the new covenant, and is his joy to keep. Man is not saved to have other gods, commit adultery, kill, steal, or covet, or to break any of God's laws, but having now a new nature, delights in God's will to the extent that he is sanctified. The ceremonial and sacrificial law is clearly fulfilled in Christ's atoning death and resurrection. Certain other laws have been subjected to changes by apostolic teaching or our Lord's teaching, as witness the change of the death penalty for adultery to divorce, and the revision of the day of worship and the end of the old Sabbath regulations, Colossians 1:16 following, etc. Certainly the Reformers did not treat the Old Testament laws lightly, as witness their concern with usury. I believe that it is a part of our modern apostasy that we have abandoned much of the world to the devil and restricted the gospel to a narrow realm. The doctrine of creation is to me the cornerstone of our faith, because the Holy Trinity created all things. All things are understandable only in terms of the triune God, and only He can redeem His creation. Moreover, only under His law can the creation function without ruin. Therefore, God's word must be declared for every realm. We must have a Christian economics, philosophy, which begins with the premise of the infallible word and the triune God, historiography, literature, law, political science, and so on. I wrote in The Messianic Character of American Education a carefully documented statement of my thesis that education, apart from Christian theistic principles, is destructive of itself and of man. I believe that the same is true of every other field of study. The doctrine of the bodily resurrection of our Lord is in part a declaration that God's salvation is not restricted to the soul alone, but that time and history, as well as eternity, the body as well as the soul, are destined to share in the glorious salvation of our God. I would agree that the Church has no jurisdiction apart from the Word of God, the sacraments, and the administration of godly discipline within the Church. But the Word of God speaks to every condition and every realm of life. My point in dealing with economics was, in all three talks, biblical. I dealt with biblical laws concerning money and debt in the first two, and in the third, I simply emphasized the fact that it is God's law that governs the universe, not the man-made power ploys of contemporary politicians. I was giving a lecture rather than a sermon, but had I been preaching, I would simply have been exegetical. And debased money is clearly condemned in Scripture, as witness Isaiah's indictment, 1:22, which clearly refers to the debasing of silver and the adulterating of wine. One of the fearful conditions of our day is that, apart from the modernistic, humanistic, and apostate schemas offered to men today, there is little to be heard except secular conservatism, which is in essence simply another form of humanism and equally to be condemned. I believe in the necessity for Christian conservatism, and I believe that we shall be under God's judgment if we neglect to proclaim the whole counsel of God for every realm: church, state, school, philosophy, where the great classic is Luther's Bondage of the Will, economics, political science, etc. This is not making Christ partisan. It is simply asserting, to use the old Reformation battle cry, quote, the crown rights of King Jesus, end quote, over every realm. I write this not in any sense in criticism of your position, but in the prayerful hope that you will recognize the full-orbed claims of our Redeemer. Very sincerely, R.J. Rushdoony. The author. Rousseau's John Rushdoony is a well-known American scholar, writer, and author of over 30 books. He holds BA and MA degrees from the University of California and received his theological training at the Pacific School of Religion. An ordained minister, he has been a missionary among Paiute and Shoshone Indians, as well as pastor of 2 California churches. He is founder of the Chalcedon Foundation, an educational organization devoted to research, publishing, and cogent communication of a distinctively Christian scholarship to the world at large. His writing in the Chalcedon Report and his numerous books have spawned a generation of believers active in reconstructing the world to the glory of Jesus Christ. He resides in Vallecito, California, and is currently engaged in research, lecturing, and assisting others in developing programs to put the Christian faith into action. The Ministry of Chalcedon. Chalcedon is a Christian educational organization devoted exclusively to research, publishing, and cogent communication of a distinctively Christian scholarship to the world at large. It makes available a variety of services and programs, all geared to the needs of interested ministers, scholars, and laymen who understand the propositions that Jesus Christ speaks to the mind as well as the heart, and that his claims extend beyond the narrow confines of the various institutional churches. We exist in order to support the efforts of all Orthodox denominations and churches. Chalcedon derives its name from the great ecclesiastical Council of Chalcedon, AD 451, which produced the crucial Christological definition, quote, therefore, following the Holy Fathers, we all with one accord teach men to acknowledge one and the same Son, our Lord Jesus Christ, at once complete in Godhead and complete in manhood, truly God and truly man, end quote. This formula directly challenges every false claim of divinity by any human institution, state, church, cult, school, or human assembly. Christ alone is both God and man, the unique link between heaven and earth. All human power is therefore derivative. Christ alone can announce that, quote, all power is given unto me in heaven and in earth, end quote, Matthew 28:18. Historically, the Chalcedonian Creed is therefore the foundation of Western liberty, for it sets limits on all authoritarian human institutions by acknowledging the validity of the claims of the one who is the source of true human freedom. Galatians 5:1. The Chalcedon Report is published monthly and is sent to all who request it. All gifts to Chalcedon are tax-deductible. Chalcedon, P.O. Box 158, Vallecito, California, 95251, USA. www.chalcedon.edu. This has been a Chalcedon Foundation production, produced by Grace Community School and Nicene Covenant Church, published by Ross House Books, copyrights 1969, 1974, 1979, 2000, Mark R. Rushdoony. If you've enjoyed this audiobook, be sure to visit chalcedon.edu for more books and audiobooks by R.J. Rushdoony.